Maybach music.
I said I do this shit for fun, so I hop up on the beat, cause I am the one, get you done, no stuntin'. When it come to getting money, man, I did what I did, man, I did dumb numbers, did my shit on the low, had a shit like, whoa, talking about the loud pack that you niggas like to smoke, man, I smoked this shit, yeah, for 4 years in a row, and I smoked on my shit, cause this shit all I know, and the weed connoisseur, so I'm sitting up in the basement, and I'm getting my shit together, cause I'm serving all my patients, and I ain't got no patience, but I'm waiting. Niggas talking shit, but the money steady taking. Yeah, it's coming slow, but I got to get the dough. Had to switch up the hustle just to let you niggas know that your boy flipping whips. Told my bitch don't trip when it come to getting money, man. I ain't new to this, man. I'm true to this. Gotta do what I gotta do to get it. I ain't talking about snitching. Niggas on that bullshitting, and I ain't with it, so keep the 40 light full, smoking on that shit, dog. Talking about my smoke, my dope is all I blow. Nigga talking shit, though, but ditch on my dick, dog. I had to fucking blow my nose. Said, baby, bless you. Tell the bitch hot you. When it come to getting money, dog, not like you. Niggas think they different, though. Man, I'm really different, ho. Riding in that shit, dog, you never ever seen before. Smoking on that shit, dog, that you niggas can't smoke. Smoking on that shit, dog, that you niggas ain't smoking. I'm smoking on my own, and I'm smoking strong. And I'm sitting up here, dog, and I'm all alone. Smoking on the loud, and it got me like wow. Finna blaze up the blunt, cause I got it right now. Signing out, niggas, fuck with me. Whips on deck, you know what it is. Freestyling. You know, bored than a bitch. Get at me.